In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notification in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a reminder for any event so you never miss an important meeting or deadline again. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to your account if you're prompted. You'll land on your calendar view, which might be set to day, week, or month. Any of these views will work, so choose the one that makes it easiest to spot your event. Next, look for the event you want to add a notification to. If your calendar is busy, switching to the day or week view can help you zero in on it. You can also use the search bar at the top to find the event by title. Once you've located it and confirmed it's the correct date and time, you're ready to open it. Click the event to bring up the quick details panel. Here you'll see basic information like the title, date, and attendees. To make changes, click the pencil icon, which opens the full edit screen for that event. Inside the edit screen, find the notifications section. Click Add Notification. This creates a reminder that will appear as a pop-up alert on your device at the time you choose. If you're on a laptop or desktop, that alert will typically show in your browser. On a phone, it will show in your device's notification area. You might also see options like minutes, hours, days, or weeks. This simply controls how far in advance the alert appears. Now adjust the timing to what works best for you. For quick heads-up reminders, set it to something like 10 or 15 minutes before the event. For bigger tasks or events that require prep, you might prefer several hours or even a full day ahead. You can fine-tune the number and the unit so the reminder arrives at a helpful moment. If you like having multiple nudges, you can add another one by clicking Add Notification again and setting a different lead time. When everything looks good, click Save at the top to apply your changes. Saving is important. If you close the window without saving, your notification won't be added. That's it. You've added a notification to your Google Calendar event. If you don't see alerts when the time comes, it can help to check that notifications are allowed for your browser or device and that you're logged into the same account. You can return to the event anytime to adjust or remove notifications as your schedule changes.